If you come underneath the front of the vehicle, you're going to see your crank right up front of the engine, and then right attached to the engine is right where the crank sensor is going to be. It's going to be located right near your tensioner as well. Looking right up along behind the crank area, you're going to be able to see the sensor. There's of course going to be wiring leading to it. I'm going to remove the wiring before I go and remove the sensor itself. Right up along the top area where you can see my index finger, there's a little squeeze tab. Squeeze down on that, and then you should be able to pull this off. Now we're going to move along to using our 8mm socket and remove both of our mounting bolts. There's our other bolt. Go ahead and grab onto that sensor, give it a little wiggle, and draw it away from the vehicle. There it is. Bring this right up here. You can see approximately where it wants to sit. It should set right in there. Okay, that one's bottomed out. Bottom out the other one, and then we'll torque them to manufacturer specifications. So now we're going to torque these to 62 inch-pounds. Once you have them torqued, go ahead and plug it back in. Make sure it clicks in, give it a nice wiggle and a tug. It needs to be 100% secured.